In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add investments in Zoho Books, ensuring that your financial records are comprehensive and up to date. Whether you're new to using Zoho Books or just need a little guidance, we'll walk through the process step by step so you can feel confident in managing your financial data. Let's get started by navigating to the Accountant section in Zoho Books. Once you're there, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This area is where you can see all the accounts that have been set up for your business's financials, like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. It's crucial because it keeps all the financial activity neatly organized and accessible. Now that you're in the chart of accounts, look for the option to add a new one. Spot the plus new account button and give it a click. Here, you'll enter meaningful names for your accounts based on the type of investment. For our purpose today, you'll choose fixed asset as the account type. By categorizing your new investment as a fixed asset, you ensure it's appropriately tracked as a long-term investment. Once you've filled in these fields, remember to click Save to confirm your additions. Next up, navigate over to Purchases. Under this area, select Expenses. This step will help you assign the investment as an expense in your records, giving clarity about where your funds are being directed and making sure that your financial statements reflect real-time data. To incorporate your new investment category into expenses, click on the Plus New button. When prompted, select the fixed asset account you created just a step earlier. This selection connects the dots between your accounts and the particular investment you are adding, aligning it accurately with your accounting records. As you proceed, you'll be required to fill in additional details about the investment. This might include the name of the investment, the amount, the date of purchase, or any other specifics pertinent to that asset. Being thorough here ensures that your records are crystal clear, which aids in future tracking and reporting. Once all the necessary details are entered, don't forget to hit Save. This action will lock in the information, bringing you one step closer to streamlined financial documentation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an investment to Zoho Books. You've now enhanced your operational efficiency by ensuring this investment is logged as a fixed asset and expenses have been properly detailed. Keeping this information accurate is vital as it assists in comprehensive financial tracking, helps in auditing processes, and provides clear insights into your business's financial health. So, that's all for now. By staying organized within Zoho Books, you're setting up a framework that will serve your company well, both now and as it grows.